Module 7. Performing downhole operation. Objective: to safely and effectively perform the planned mechanical or measurement task at the target depth using the Slickline tool string, such as setting or pulling plugs, shifting sleeves, deploying gauges, or fishing, while maintaining full control of the line, monitoring downhole response, and ensuring well integrity. Key safety checks. 1. Pre-operation verification. Confirm the measured depth (MD) of the tool matches the planned target depth in the operation program. Cross-check tension and weight readings against baseline values recorded before tool engagement. Verify that communication lines between winch operator, supervisor, and control cabin are open and clear. Ensure the PCE stack is pressure tested, sealed, and monitored continuously. 2. Operational readiness. Confirm the winch control lever, brake, and depth counter are fully functional. Keep hands clear of moving parts, wire path, sheave, and stuffing box. Reconfirm valve alignment on the wellhead. Ensure that isolation valves are properly positioned. Ensure the H2S monitor, if applicable, and gas detectors are active near the wellhead. 3. During downhole task. Follow the approved downhole procedure step by step, no improvisation. Engage the tool, set, shift, or pull with smooth and controlled movements. Observe the tension gauge for mechanical response. Spikes, drops, or cyclic movement may indicate engagement or release. Record any unusual readings or line behavior in real time and communicate immediately to the supervisor. Use jarring actions if required with controlled energy. Never exceed maximum allowable line load or jar impact limit. 4. Monitoring and verification. Monitor for pressure fluctuations or changes in line tension that may indicate tool function or well response. Compare real-time data tension versus depth with the operation plan to confirm tool performance. Once the task is completed, perform a confirmation run if applicable to ensure proper function, for example, rechecking sleeve position or tool retrieval resistance. Document depth, tension, and action outcomes on the job log. Barriers. Physical barriers. Pressure control equipment (PCE) remains the primary containment barrier, lubricator, stuffing box, tool catcher. Winch control system with functional emergency stop and calibrated gauges. Sheave guards and red zone barricades to prevent personnel exposure to moving wire. Tool catcher ready for emergency tool recovery. Procedural barriers. Step-by-step operation program approved and signed by company representative. Stop work authority for any crew member upon detecting abnormal tool response. Line tension chart and maximum load limits displayed near winch operator station. Daily toolbox talk (TBT) addressing specific downhole operation hazards. Supervisory barriers. Supervisor maintains continuous visual and verbal oversight during tool manipulation. Safety engineer or safety watcher ensures personnel remain outside the exclusion zones. Supervisor verifies depth records and mechanical engagement logs. Driller or well site representative monitors well pressure and stability. Human barriers. Trained Slickline operator and assistant maintaining focus on winch and gauges. Strict adherence to communication signals: start, stop, jar, release. Fatigue management. Alternate operators for long duration tasks. Reinforced situational awareness to identify early signs of tool sticking or overloading. Safety considerations. Pressure integrity. Never open or loosen any PCE component while tool is in the hole. Maintain constant watch on stuffing box for leaks. If any pressure anomaly occurs, cease operation and isolate well immediately. Wire and tool handling. Avoid jerky or uncontrolled wire movements. These can damage the tool or cause parting. Maintain safe line angle to prevent wire rubbing or fatigue at the sheave. Record wire tension history to detect overloading patterns. Dropped object and red zone control. No one should stand beneath the sheave or wire root. Keep a clear and barricaded red zone throughout the operation. Environmental considerations. Contain any oil or grease discharge from the Slickline unit. Dispose of waste materials and cleaning fluids per rig waste management plan. Emergency preparedness. Ensure tool catcher is active for emergency retrieval. Test winch emergency stop prior to operation. Maintain immediate communication with the driller and well-control team in case of abnormal pressure. Golden rule. Never improvise mechanical actions. Follow the approved downhole procedure. This rule reinforces the principle that discipline and procedural compliance prevent tool loss, wire failure, and well integrity breaches. Every deviation from plan introduces new risk. Precision, patience, and communication are the core of safe Slickline performance.